यहाँ से यहाँ कितनी एरिया होती है? 0.5। उसमें से यहाँ से 3.3849, तो यहाँ पे 0.1151। दिस इज आउट ऑफ 1, नो? हाउ मेनी वर्कर्स आर देयर? 1000। तो 0.1151 into 1000 कितना आता है? एक्सपेक्टेड नंबर ऑफ वर्कर इज 115। आया? थोड़ा याद आया? ओके। Shaft is normal, which mean 5, and standard deviation 0.05. The tolerance limit of shaft is 4.9 to 5.1. In a consignment of 200 shaft, the number of shafts out of tolerance limit. Now see here. ये थोड़ा मैं कम ड्रॉ कर रहा हूँ. What does it mean? 5. 4.9 and here 5.1, no? What is the standard deviation? 0.05. So here you have 4.9 minus 5 upon 0.05. कितना आता है? 2. And 0.51 minus 0.5 upon what? 2 is equal to 0.0. Sorry, 0. Again 2 you are getting. Now when the value is 2, z is equal to minus 2. And here z is equal to 2. What is the value of z of? ये समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ? यहाँ पे z क्या होगा? 2. Here also z is? How you got 2? 5 minus 4.9 divided by 0.05, no? And here 5.1 minus 5 upon 0.05. Now what is the value of 2 के सामने क्या आता है? 0.4772, no? 4772. So how much is 4772? 0.4772 into 2 is 95.44%. This will cover how much percentage? 95.44. So area beyond this is 1 minus 0.4772 minus 0.4772. How much you get? 0.04. ये क्या है? Within limits और outside the limits? ये tolerance limits है कि नहीं? इतना तक चल जाएगा, इसके बाहर बहुत छोटा और बहुत बड़ा नहीं चलेगा ना. This will multiply by how much? 200. What do you get? 9.1. The answer is 9. Okay? Got it? Yes or no? The mean of a normal variance is 20 and variance is 9. Standard deviation is 3. The area between the values 15.5. Now see here. ये बहुत नाट होगा. 15.5 कितना? 15.5 minus 20 कितना होता है? 4.5 divided by 3 you get z is equal to minus 1.5. लिख के बताऊं पूरा. ये देख 20 15.5 ये z is equal to 0. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 4.5 divided by 3 by 3. हाँ, तो ये क्या होगा? Minus 1.5. Here it is 21.5. Difference is 1.5. 1.5 divided by 1.5. Z is equal to. Here you are getting Z is equal to 1. Here you are getting Z is equal to minus 1.5. Now minus 1.5 में एरिया कितनी आती है? 1.5 में देखो 0.4332 और यहाँ पे 1 में 0.3413 है ना? 3413 plus 0.4332. How much you getting? 0.77, no? Values between 15.5 and 21.5 है.
Sir, Z 0.5 आएगा ना? 20 minus.
Sorry, this is 0.5. This is 0.5. So this is again the wrong thing. See. ये बराबर था. 0.5 में कितना आता है? 1915. 0.1915. तो 0.1915 plus 0.4332. How much you getting? 62. This is the answer?
Yes, sir.
A is the answer? Okay, instead of that we take standard deviation is 3, no? समझाओ वापस? You want again? See here. Listen here. 20 is the mean. 15.5. Z is equal to 0. Standard deviation is 3. Distance कितना है यहाँ पे? 4.5. 4.5 divided by 3 minus 1.5. Here 21.5. Distance कितना है? 1.5. 1.5 divided by 3 is 0.5. Now when Z is equal to 1.5, so what do you get here? 433.2. And here how much you get?
0.1914.
When Z is equal to 0.5, so 1915. So 0.4332 plus 0.1915, how much you are getting? 0.6247. All of you getting this? Can I? Yes? Nice. You have to do it little bit faster so that you speed up. The mean of a normal variate is, chalao?
Yes, sir.
Mean of a normal variate is 20 and variance is 20. The values between what? 9 है ना? Variance is 9 and standard deviation is 3. The values between 14 and what? Now see, 14 is below mean. 20 minus 14 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. तो यहाँ पे z is equal to 2 आएगा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
और यहाँ पे z is equal to
0.5.
माइनस आएगा ना दोनों?
हाँ.
See here you have this way. Here 20 and here 14. यहाँ से यहाँ कहते z is equal to 2 आता है ना? 2 में कितना आता है? 0.4772. Then यहाँ पे क्या है? 0.5 आता था ना? माइनस 0.5 तो 1915. Now 0 point between इसके बीच में कितना आएगा? 4772 minus 0.1915. How much you get?
2857.
कितना आता है आंसर? 2857. All of you are copying this or no? तो टेबल है कि नहीं तुम लोग के पास? Without table life is useless. Okay? मीन्स कुछ फायदा नहीं टॉपिक करके तो टेबल नहीं तो इसीलिए मैं तुम लोग एक पेज वाला ही टेबल दिया एकदम इजीली आ जाए फटाफट उसमें है ना. The mean of a normal variate is 20 and its variance is 9. The area for the value of the variate more than 26. अरे यार more than 26 चाहिए. 20 26. यहाँ पे z क्या है? 0. यहाँ पे z क्या होगा? 2 आएगा ना? 6 है ना? कितना है बच्चों? 6 डिवाइड बाय 3 2 आएगा ना? 6 2 आएगा कि नहीं? मालूम पड़ रहा है 2 कैसे? 26 minus 20 upon 3 x minus x bar upon standard deviation. बस खुश. ये कितना था? 0. हाँ तो ये क्या आएगा? 0.4772 minus 0.5 कितना होता है बच्चों? 0.022. C is the answer. 2% ना खाली आया. The mean of a normal variate is 20. Variance is the area for the value of the variate more than 14. ये more than 14 मतलब ये आएगा 20 14 ना. ए z is equal to कितना? -2. तो ये कितना? 4772 और ये 0.5. You want more than 14 is this part, no? Which part you want? ये चाहिए ना? So 0.4772 plus 0.5, how much you get? 0.9772. You got this story? आ रहा है कि नहीं? Okay. The mean of a normal variate is 20 and variance is 9. ये तो परेशान हो गए. Variance is standard deviation 3. The area for the value of the variate less than 24.5. Okay, less than 24.5 चाहिए. ये क्या है? 20 24.5 Z कितना होगा यहाँ पे? माइनस 1 पॉइंट प्लस 1.5 1.5 की वैल्यू कितनी आती है? 4332 4332 और ये 0.5 क्या चाहिए तुमको? लेस देन दिस, आंसर डी 0.5 plus 0.9332. This is really time saving sum, no?
0.433.
हाँ 0.9332. समझ गए तुम लोग कि नहीं समझाए? Are you follow this or not?
Yes, sir.
Or I will go very slow then. In an intelligence test admission to how many students? 1000 children. The average score is how much? 42 and standard deviation is 24. Assuming that scores are normally distributed, the number of child exceeding what? 50. अरे 50 से ज्यादा. ये कितना मीन है? ये 50 पे यहाँ पे z कितना 0 है? यहाँ पे z क्या होगा? 8 डिवाइड बाय 24 0.33. पक्का? 0.33 पे कितना आता है? 0.1293. यहाँ पे कितना आएगा? 0.3707. हाँ कि नहीं? 3707. This is 5 no 0.5. So this is 0.1293. This is 0.3707 into how much? Into how much? 1000. तो कितना आएगा? 371. चलाओ. In a intelligence test administered to how much? 1000 children. The average score is 42 and standard deviation is 24. Assuming that scores are normally distributed, the number of children getting score between what? अरे यार 32. ये क्या है? 42. 30 यहाँ, 54 यहाँ. Z is equal to 0. स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन कितना है? 24. तो यार 12 का डिफरेंस है. 12 डिवाइड बाय 24, that is minus 0.5 and here plus 0.5. 0.5 में कितना आता है?
0.1915.
And 0.1915 तो 0.3830 आता है. Yes or no? Into how much? 1000. What do you get answer? Hey, what is the answer? 383. Followed or not? Or shall I explain again? The average life of battery is how many hours? 70. To 1000 children, the average score is 42 and standard deviation is 24. Assuming that scores are normally distributed, the minimum score of the most intelligent 100 students. Now this is a difficult, really difficult. See here. ये क्या है? 24 है? नहीं. 42. Standard deviation कितना है? 24. Now total 1000 students are there. The scores are normally distributed. The minimum score of most intelligent. Now most intelligent 100 students कहाँ होंगे? यहाँ पे 100 students है out of 1000. तो ये most intelligent कौन से होंगे? These are the most intelligent 100 students. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Here the number of students are 500. Here number of students are 500. 1000 students are there. सबसे ज्यादा होशियार 100 बच्चे कहाँ पे होंगे? यहाँ पे होंगे. और ये उन होशियार में सबसे बुद्धू है कि नहीं? He is the minimum marks in the highest. Now here this is 100 out of 1000. तो यहाँ पे एरिया कितनी कवर हुई? 0.10. कैसे 0.10 आया? 100 upon 1000 है ना, तो एरिया कितनी होगी? प्रोबेबिलिटी उसकी 10% है कि नहीं? तो यहाँ पे कितना होगा? 40 होगा. एरिया मालूम है अभी तो 40. तो यहाँ पे Z कितना होगा? 40 का z point. Now you see the reverse table. You are given area 40% and you have to find z. It is 1.28. 1.28 gives you what? 0.3997 and 1.29 gives what? 4015, which is more near to 0.4. 1.28. So here 1.28 plus or minus? Plus. Again I will repeat. Here 100 students are there. So what is the area covered? 0.10. So here area covered will be how much? 0.4. So here z will be how much? 0.4 पे z कितना था? 1 point. We don't know x here. Do we know x? Z is how much?
1.28.
1.28. So we say 1.28 is equal to what? 42? No. You have x minus 42 upon 24. So what do you get? X is equal to 1.28 into 24 plus 42. How much you get? 71 point 1.28 into 24 plus 42. You get what? 72.7. So person getting 72.7 marks now is the बोलो क्या टॉप 10% में इंटेलिजेंट सबसे कि सबसे बेकार? इन टॉप 10% ही इज हैविंग मिनिमम, है कि नहीं? 70 seconds. The average life of a battery is 400 hours and its standard deviation is 50 hours. Assuming normal distribution, approximate after how many hours 25% of the batteries will still be working. Again, see here. What is the average? 400. After standard deviation is 50, that we know it. ये लिख लिया हमने, okay? After how many hours 25% will be working? मतलब ये suppose ये कुछ आ रहे 25% will be working, मतलब ये अच्छी बैटरीज है कि बेकार बैटरीज है? These are top 25% or not?
Yes, sir.
Here how much? 0.25? 0. And here 0.25 आएगा. 25% are working, है ना?
Yes, sir.
After how many hours? This is hours. पता नहीं कितने hours है ना, लेकिन उसके बाद भी कितने वर्क कर रहे हैं? 25% काम कर रहे हैं. उसके बाद भी वो मालूम नहीं कितना है. तो ये 0.25 होगा. यहाँ पे कितना एरिया है? 0.25. यहाँ पे also 0.25. So you know this will be nothing but Q3. क्या होगा ये? ये 25% है ना यहाँ पे?
Yes, sir.
Q3 होगा कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Anyway 0.25 का एरिया देखो 0.675 का. 0.25 एरिया is 0.67 आ रहा है.
Yes, sir.
67 मेरे ख्याल से होगा. 0.67 आता है. 2486 आता है कि नहीं? एक्चुअली 0.675 आता है, लेकिन यहाँ पे नहीं है. तो यू हैव व्हाट? यहाँ पे z is equal to 0.67. क्या है 0.67 is equal to what? x minus 400 upon 50. तो 0.67 into 50 plus 400 कितना आता है? 433. I think this is the answer. You know how you got this? Actually you have 0.675 into 50 plus 400. Yes, answer आएगा. 0.675 into 50 plus 400. Answer is 434. What is the answer? क्या? 433.75 means what? शुरू करो. 70 बस करा दो. Okay, the average life of battery is 400 hours and its standard deviation is 50 hours. Assuming normal distribution, the percentage of battery with a life between what? 300 to what? अरे मीन कितना है? ये कितना है बोल? 300. Here how much you want? 500? Yes or no? Now what is standard deviation? 50. यहाँ पे कितना फर्क है? Z is equal to -2 I think. और shall I calculate? Hey, Z is equal to -2 no? And Z is equal to what? 2. अभी 2 में कितना होता है मालूम नहीं क्या? बच्चा जानता है यार. तो 0 point what? कितनी बैटरी से? Assuming परसेंटेज चाहिए ना, तो क्या आंसर है? 95.4. पक्का? अब समझाओ. Here 400, 300, 500. You want between 300 to 500? So 300 to 400, how much is that here? -2. Difference is 100 and standard deviation is 50, no? So 100 divided by 50 is -2. Here also 2 आता है. तो 2 पे कितना एरिया कवर होता है? Z is equal to 2 पे कितना एरिया कवर होता है? 4772 and here also 4772. 4772 plus 4772 is how much? 9554. That is how much percentage? 9544, sorry. 9544. 9544 आता है? What is the answer? The average life of a battery is 71. We had missed out. 400 hours and standard deviation is 50 hours. Assuming normal distribution, the percentage of batteries having life of more than 350. ये देखो बच्चों, ये क्या है? 350 कहाँ आएगा? 350 will come here. यहाँ पे Z is equal to 0. यहाँ पे Z is equal to -1. 50 upon 50. Now how much is the area at -1? I think you will remember 3413. You want below 350 or more than 350? So you have to add 5. कितना होगा? 0.8413. This is the answer. Percentage चाहिए ना? ये 0. What? A is the answer. Yes or no? In a normal distribution, 50% of the observations are less than 35. It means mean is 35, no? Mean is how? And 89% of the observations are less than. See here, I'll try to make this. 50% are less than 35. So 35 यहाँ है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
तो ये मीन हुआ. What is this? Mean is. फिर आगे क्यों पढ़ने का? And 89% of the observation is less than 63. ये क्या है? ये क्या है? How much percentage here? 0.39. In between यहाँ से यहाँ तक 63 तक, no? 39% होगा ना इधर. 89% और बिलो 63, तो यार 0.5 और यहाँ पे कितना होगा? Between 35 and 63.
Yes, sir.
39%. Between 35 and 63, how much percentage? 39. पक्का? अभी मीन कितना है?
35.
What is the mean? अरे 50% लेस देना तो क्या होगा? मीन से 50% कम. ओके, अगर तुम लोग को स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन फाइंड करने का है ना, सेम समय नीचे स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन फाइंड करने बोला है ना. स्टैंडर्ड डिविएशन ये क्या एरिया है कि जेड है ना? 0.39 में एरिया क्या आती है? जेड क्या आता है? 0.39. 1.23. 1.23 आता है? Yes or no?
1.2.
Z is equal to 1.23 नो यार, कैसे आया? 0.39 एरिया के सामने Z देखो, तो you have 1.23 is equal to 63 minus 35 upon standard deviation. So 63 minus 35 is 28 divided by 1.23. What is the standard deviation? 22 point 22 point what? 764. तो ये आंसर आएगा. What is the answer? Same. 50% are less than 35. 89% are less than 63. The standard deviation is how much? So you got 1.23 is equal to 63 minus 35 upon. The standard deviation is equal to 28 upon 1.23. How much you are getting? 22 point something, no? So 22.76. You are getting this? Or no? Then the mean and standard deviation of a normal variate are 30 and 5. Find the probability of 26 and 40 के बीच में ना. What does it mean? 30, 26, 40, no? What is standard deviation? What is standard deviation? 5. Now ये कितना difference है? 4 by 5. 0.8. Z is equal to 0.8. इसके बीच में कितना डिफरेंस है? 0.8 के सामने क्या आता है? 0.2881. और ये कितना है? 2, नो? Z is equal to 2. तो what do you get? ये तो कई बार आ चुका है. 0.4772 plus 0.2881. How much you get? 0.7653. Okay or no okay? Probability x takes value more than 45. ये 30 है ना? ये कितना है? ये कितना है? 15 का फर्क है. Z is equal to 3, no? ये 3 कैसे? 45 minus 30 is 15. 15 upon 5. 3 आया. 3 में तो बहुत सारा वैल्यू कवर होता है. कितना होता है? 4987. 4987. तो यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 0.4987 minus 0.5. How much you get? ये आंसर आएगा 0.001. You getting this?
Yes.
Okay. 78. The distribution of marks of a student in the class is normal with a mean of 20 and standard deviation of 5. The number of students getting more than 25 marks is 50. Number of students दिया है. More than 25 is 50. See here. ये कैसे? What does it mean? 25. Z is equal to 0. Difference is how much here? 5. 5 divided by 5. Z is equal to 1. तो एरिया कितनी होगी यहाँ पे? 3413. 3413 नो? तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 0.1587. 0.1587 is correct. Here is 3413 no? तो So 0.1587.5. Okay. Now here is number of students. This is probability, no? Now 50 students are getting here. There are 50 students, no? So 50 is equal to what? 0.1587 into total students. तो total students क्या होंगे? 50 divided by 50 is total students. Sorry, students getting more than 25. So 50 is equal to 50 divided by 0.1587. How much you getting? 315 is the answer. Good sum, huh? Isn't it? Interesting sum, no? Though there was no interest in it. Now, Mila? The mean and standard deviation of normal distribution are what? 20.5 and 5. The median is, अरे median is mean same ही होता है. Now see here. You got here 78th वाला 0.1587. Here this is probability. So how you get number of students? Number of students about 25. How will you get? You will get number of students beyond 25 will be probability into total students. एक मिनट. एक में से कितने हैं beyond? Out of 1, how many are beyond 25? एक में से इतने हैं कि नहीं? 1 is total and about 25 कितने हैं? Out, if total is 1, about 25 are how much? 0.15. Now 50 is total or about 25? About 25 50 है, तो बोला total students कितने होंगे? तो 50 into 1 upon
0.1537
कितना आएगा? 315. For this you can write this total is 1, about 25 is this much. एक में से इतना, तो 50 इतने हैं. 50 is beyond 25 ना? कि 50 is total? Beyond 25. तो फिर total कितने होंगे? समझ में आया कि नहीं? Next. The mean and standard deviation of a normal distribution are what? 20 and 5. 20.5. Find the median. अरे median and mean are what? Same है ना? ये time pass था कि नहीं एकदम? Then the mean and standard deviation of a normal distribution is 20.5 and 5. The mode is same ही होते हैं. The mean and standard deviation of a normal distribution is 20.5 and 5. The quartile deviation, what is quartile deviation? 2/3 into standard deviation, no? The 5 into 2 divided by 3, how much you get? 3.33 is the answer? हाँ. The mean and standard deviation of a normal distribution is 20.5 and 5. The mean deviation क्या होता है? 4/5 into standard deviation. Answer is 4. The quartiles, yes, quartiles very important. The quartiles of a normal distribution are what? 8.64 and 14.32. The mean of the distribution is, yes, interesting sum, very interesting. What? Mean is mid. Mean of the distribution. Now see here. देखो बच्चों, you know Q1 is equal to x bar minus 0.675 standard deviation and Q3 is equal to x bar plus 0.675 standard deviation. याद है कुछ? Yes or no? हाँ? Now here you know this is equal to how much? 8.64 और ये क्या है? 14.32. ये दो इक्वेशन है ना? ये दो इक्वेशन है कि नहीं? क्या करें इसको? हम लोग को मीन निकालने का है ना? ये दोनों कैंसिल हो सकते हैं, दोनों में कोएफिशिएंट सेम है ना? हम लोग एक ढूंढते थे, दो मिल गए. अभी उनको क्या करो? किसको मारने का है? दोनों को ऐड कर देना, तो कौन मर जाएगा? स्टैंडर्ड डिवीजन. तो 2x bar will be how much? 8.64 plus 14.02.
11.48 आता है.
तो x bar is equal to
11.48.
तो समझ जाओ ये इनका मिड पॉइंट ही है यार. दोनों क्वार्टाइल का मिड पॉइंट क्या होता है? मीन इज अ मिड पॉइंट ऑफ टू क्वार्टाइल्स. फॉलोइंग और ये सब झंझट करने की जरूरत. ओके, हैव यू फॉलोड दिस? You want to write this? Right. Distribution is 8.64 and 14.32. The median. Now mean is what? Mean is 11.48. तो median भी वही होगा ना? Same answer. The quartile of a normal distribution is 8.64 and 14.32. The standard deviation is. This is important. See here. Now. You have x bar minus x bar plus. Now what you will do? चलो माइनस करो प्लस करोगे. माइनस कर तो you get what? 0.675 into 1.35 standard deviations minus is equal to 14.32 minus 8.6 minus 5.68. 5.68 divided by 1.35. How much you getting? 4. Actually हम लोग ने ना ये लोग ने 0.23 लिया. What they have taken? 2/3. So it is 4.26 will be. We have taken more exact values. We have taken what? Now I'll give you other method. See दूसरा मेथड बता रहा हूँ. इसको आंसर 4.2 के लाता हूँ उनको. हाँ लाता हूँ कैसे भी करके. Now see here. Now what is quartile deviation formula? Q3 minus Q1 upon 2. That is 14.32 minus 8.64 upon 2. What do you get? 2.84 is what? Quartile deviation is 2.84 is equal to 2 by 3 into standard deviation. So standard deviation is 2.84 into 3 by 2.
4.26.
क्या आता है? Into 3 divided by 2 कितना आया? 4.26 आया ना कैसे भी करके? आया ना आंसर? वो हम लोग 0.675 एग्जैक्ट लेते हैं ना? Here we have taken. Take this. Q3 minus Q1 upon 2 is quartile deviation. 14.32 minus 8.64 upon 2. That is quartile deviation is 2.84, which is equal to 2 by 3 of standard deviation. Standard deviation is equal to 86 sums we have done. Isn't it? The values will lie within mu plus or minus x bar. One standard deviation. How much will lie here? X bar plus or minus standard deviation. One standard deviation में कितना होता है? 0.3413 plus or minus में क्या आएगा? Double no? Which sums here left out? 86. No. 86. The quartile of a normal distribution is 8.64 and what? 3.34, 14.32. The mean deviation of the distribution. Now see here. You know we have done quartile deviation is 2.84. Standard deviation कितना आया था फिर? 4.26. And mean deviation क्या होता है मालूम? Mean deviation is 4 by 5 into. That is 4 by 5 into. तो 3.41 ही आएगा. 4.26 into 80%. 3.41 आता है?
Yes, sir.
Follow this? You got no standard deviation is 4.26.
Yes, sir.
So into 4 by 5 करो तो क्या मिलेगा? Mean deviation. Standard deviation में जाओ, standard deviation हम बता देगा. lie within mu plus or minus 2 standard deviation? Answer is, what is the answer? 95. 1.96 होता तो plus or minus 1.96 is 95%. याद है? तो 2 है तो उससे थोड़ा ज्यादा होगा 95 से होते हैं. What percentage of values will lie between mu plus or minus 3 standard deviation? 99.73. And last one, what percentage of values will lie between 1.5? 1.5 कुछ नहीं आएगा. क्यों देख, 1.5 में कितना आता है? A4332 आता है कि नहीं? Minus 1.5, so you are 0.4332 into 2, तो क्या होगा? 0.8664. तो आंसर क्या आएगा? None of the above. Follow this?
Yes, sir.
First formula for binomial distribution. Conditions for binomial distribution. Do you remember when do we use binomial distribution? An experiment is under consideration. The outcomes of experiment are divided into one, success, failure. Isn't it? An experiment is there. The outcomes of the experiment are divided into success and failure. It means there are only two outcomes, success and failure or failure. P is probability of success and Q is probability of failure, such that P plus Q is equal to 1. One experiment outcomes are only two, success and failure. Followed? Then experiment is performed n times. Experiment is performed n times. When we perform experiment n times, we may have, it means there is an experiment or a series of experiment. एक एक्सपेरिमेंट है कि सीरीज है. एक्सपेरिमेंट बहुत बार कर रहे हैं ना हम लोग, तो सीरीज होगी ना. series of experiment, not series of experiments, but one n times we are performing a experiment. We may have a 0 success, then 1 success, then 2 success, and maximum how many successes? You may have 1 success or 0 success or 2 success or what? n successes. कुछ भी हो सकता है ना. Now number of successes is denoted by R. Number of successes is denoted by R, such that 0 is less than or equal to R. R is between 0 to n. What is n? Number of times experiment is done. R is उसमें से success कितने चाहिए? Suppose you are playing 5 matches. Winning is success. So you may have 0 success, 1 success, 2 success, and maximum how many success? 5. Now probability of R successes is NCR P raised to R Q raised to n minus R. This is what? The main formula of binomial. NCR is equal to what? NCR into P raised to R into Q raised to n minus R is equal to probability of R successes. दूसरा फॉर्मूला है mean of a binomial distribution is n into p and variance is npq. What is variance? npq. These are the formulas of binomial. Now we will start with problems on binomial distribution. In a binomial distribution, NP is equal to 9 and NPQ is variance, you know it, is 2.25. Find the value of Q. See, we will do this way. NPQ upon NP will be 2.25 upon 9, that is 1 by 4. What is it? Q is equal to what? 0.25?
Yes, sir.
In a binomial distribution, mean is equal to 20 and standard deviation is 4. Standard deviation is, we don't draw. Variance is how much? 16. So NPQ is 16 and NP is 20, no? NP is 20, mean is 20 and standard deviation is 4. Standard deviation is root of NPQ. NPQ will be 16. So what is Q? Q is equal to 4 by 5. So P will be how much? 1 by 5. P is 1 by 5. P is 1 by 5. Now again, very interesting thing. In a binomial distribution, mean is equal to 20. Standard deviation is 4. NPQ is 16 and NP is 20 or not? NPQ is 16, NP is 20. So Q is equal to how much? 4 by 5. P is equal to 1 by 5, the same. Now N into P, that is 1 by 5, is equal to what? 20 mean. So N is equal to 100. Got this? आना समझ में कि नहीं? In a binomial distribution, n is equal to 4, p is equal to what? 1 by 3. Find the value of variance. Now p is equal to 1 by 3, so q कितना होगा? 2 by 3. Variance will be 4 into 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. 8 by 9. Answer is C. NPQ. NPQ. In a binomial distribution of mean is equal to what? 20. Standard deviation is equal to 4. Find the value of Q. 4 by 5. How many times we'll do? Okay. Ab. Question number 6. 5 coins are tossed simultaneously. पहले एक coin toss करके देखो. What is the probability of 3 heads? Now head is a success. How many times you are playing the game? 5. So n is equal to 5. R is equal to 3. What is the success? P, half. So Q also half. You want 3 success? Probability of 3 success will be 5C3 half raised to 3 into half raised to 2. Half 5 minus 3, no? NCR P raised to R Q raised to N minus R. Now you have 10 upon 32.
10 upon 32.
That is, this is the answer. Okay. 7th one. In a binomial, the mean and standard deviation are what? 4 and 8 root 8 3, no? Now see here, you have standard deviation is root 8 by 3. What is the variance?
8 by 3.
It means NPQ is equal to 8 by 3. Okay? And NP is equal to how much? 4. Isn't it? NP is equal to what? 4. So NPQ upon NP will be Q. Q is equal to 8 by 3 upon 4, no? That is 8 by 12. Q is equal to 8 by 12, that is 2 by 3. What will be P?
1 by 3.
P will be 1 by 3, no? P will be 1 by 3. NP कितना है? NP is 4. So N is equal to what? 4 into 3, no? 12. The values of N and P are which one is the correct thing? 12 and 0.33. 12 and mean is 12 and N is 12 and P is 1 by 3, that makes 0.33. For a binomial distribution, mean is 3 and variance is 2 by 3. Now what variance is NPQ? We'll do it orally, huh? Variance is 2 by 2 and mean is 3. So Q will be 2 by 3. What will be Q? 2 by 3. What is the probability of success? Q is equal to 2 by 3. So P is equal to 0. Q is equal to 2 by 3. So P will be 1 by 3. No? That is 0. How many times the experiment was repeated? Tell me. NP is equal to how much? 3. N into kitna? P kitna hai?
1 by 9.
So experiment will be how many times? 9 times. What is the probability of failure? 0.67. 2 by 3, na? What is the probability that the variable assume value? 5. How many times you have done the experiment? 9 times. And you want variable matlab success, huh? Success assumes value 5. Means you want P of R is equal to 5. What will you get? 9C5. What is your P? 1 by 3 is to 5 and 2 by 3 is to 4. Now see what you do. 9C5 कितना होता है पहले? पहले तुम लोग है ना ये ले लो. इधर 3:9 आएगा नीचे. 3:9 आएगा नीचे. और ये 2:4 कितना होता है? 16. ये तो 1 होता है. And calculate 9C5. 9C5 will be 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 24. 126. तो 126 3:9 अभी मेन इंपॉर्टेंट है ना. What is important? 3:9. 3 2 times, 4 times, 8 times into 3 9 times. Divide by equal to into 126 into 16. How much you are getting? 0.1024. This is the answer. What is the answer? D, no?
D.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
You want to do it again? 3:9. 3:9. 3 2 times. 3:4. This is 3:8. And into 3 again, so you get 3:9. Divided by equal to, that is gone to the denominator, into 126 into 16. How much are you getting? 0.1024. Now, assume that probability that a bomb dropped from an aeroplane will strike the target is 1/5 target hit करेगा. तो नहीं हिट करने का चांस 4/5. If 6 bombs are dropped, then a bomb aeroplane will. If 6 bombs are dropped, find the probability that what exactly 2 will hit. Now 6 में से कितने चाहिए? 62 into what? 1/5:2 into 4/5:4. See here, इसके नीचे का लिखो 5:6 लिख देने का. क्या लिखने का? हाँ, 5:6. 4:4 is 256. Yes or no? है ना? And 6 is ये तो 1 ही होगा. 6:2 is 15. Now main thing is 5:6. 5 into equal to into 5. This is 5:3. This is 1/5,625. 1/5,625 दिया है. अगर नीचे कैंसिलेशन नहीं दिया ना तो 1/5,625. ऊपर क्या लिखो तुम लोग? 15 into 256. 3840 divided by 5 करो. So you have 768 upon 3125 is the answer.
Yes, sir.
You get, see you have 15 into 256 upon 15625. You cancel this 3. You get 256 into 3. How much you get? 768 upon 3125. Okay? At least 2 will hit the target. At least 2 मतलब 2 3 4 5 6. ऐसा कौन कैलकुलेट करेगा भाई? 6C0 into 1/5:0 into 4/5:6 and plus 6C1 into 1/5:1 into 4/5:5. See here you will put 4:6 down. नहीं, 5:6 down. And here ऊपर होगा 4:6. Yes or no? Huh? Plus you have here what? 6 upon here 5:6. And here you have 4:5. Okay, what is 4:5? 1024. This is 1024.
Yes, sir.
This is 1024 into 6.
6144.
61. और यहाँ पे 4:6 is
10240.
4096 upon 15625. 4096 plus 6144. How much you getting? 10240. It is 10240
Yes, sir.
upon 15625. 10240 तो है ही नहीं कहीं पे ना इसका आंसर. You divide this by 5, you get the answer is 2048 upon 15625. नहीं है ना?
No.
None of this. At least 2 1 mistake. माइनस करने का ना? नहीं सी 1 माइनस 10240 अपॉन 15625 15625 माइनस 10240 5385 तो भी नन ऑफ दिस ही आते हैं ना? ओके देन take this one, 14th one. The overall percentage of failures in a certain examination is 60. फेल होने की चांस क्या है? 60. The probability that out of group of 6 candidates, at least 5 passed. We want passing, no?
5 or 6.
So P is equal to कितना?
P is equal to
0.4 and Q is equal to 8. Okay. Now you want 5 passing. 5 लोग पास होने चाहिए ना? कितने में से? तो 65 into 0.4 is to 5 into 1 बराबर? 6 पास चाहिए तो
66.
ये हो गया? Now what do you have here? This is what? 6 into 0.4 is to 5 plus 0.6 plus क्या? ये तो 0.4 is to 6 ही होगा ना? पक्का? What thing you can take common?
0.6.
बोलो? What you can take common? 0.4 is to 5 you can take common. तो ये आएगा 6 into 0.6 कितना होता है? 3.6 प्लस कितना आएगा? 0.4. What is the answer? D, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See here. This is 5 success. This is how many success? 6 success. You get 0.6 into 0.4 is to 5 plus into 0.6 plus 0.4 is to 6. So what is the common thing you will take? 0.4 is to 5. उसके अंदर क्या आएगा? 3.6 plus 0.4. So you get what? 0.4 into 4. Okay? Out of 2000 families with 4 children, each, how many would you expect to have one? One by now. You 1 minute. You ignore this 2000 first. You take only one family. All over, how much you expect to have? How many families will have one child? You forget about into 2000. Chodo. 4. How many child are there? Children are there? 4. You want at least one boy. 4 में से 1 बॉय चाहिए. अभी 1 2 3 4 कौन बैठ के गिनेगा? नो बॉय. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ नो बॉय क्या है? नो बॉय इज 4C0 half raised to 0 into 1 by 2 raised to 4. That is 1 by 16.
1 by 16.
So at least one boy क्या होगा?
1 by 16 minus
1 minus 1 by 16. That is
1 by 16.
15 by 16. This is out of one family, no?
Into 1000.
This is out of one family or 1000 families?
1.
एक फैमिली में एटलीस्ट वन बॉय वाले कितने हैं? 15 बाय 16. तो 2000 तो क्या होगा? 2000 इंटू 15 बाय 16 कितना होता है? 1875. एटलीस्ट वन बॉय एंड वन गर्ल. नाउ वन बॉय भी चलेगा. देखो बता रहा हूं क्या हो सकता है. सी 0 बॉय 0 बॉय 4 गर्ल्स, ऐसा हो सकता है. 1 बॉय 3 girls, 2 boys, 2 girls, 3 boys, 1 girl, 4 boys. तुम लोगों को कौन सी चीज नहीं चाहिए?
जीरो,
ये नहीं चाहिए
लास्ट वन,
क्योंकि एटलीस्ट एक बॉय चाहिए और एटलीस्ट एक गर्ल चाहिए ना, तो यू वांट दिस 3 केसेस. पर ये केस हमने निकाला था अभी, नो बॉय की चांस क्या थी? 1/16. और नो गर्ल की भी चांस क्या होगी? ऑल 4 बॉयज क्या होगा? 4C4 इंटू 1/2/4 इंटू 1/2/0 ना, तो वो भी 1/16 ही होने वाला है कि नहीं? तो ये 2 लोग नहीं चाहिए ना. ऑल गर्ल्स एंड ऑल बॉयज नहीं चाहिए, तो उनकी चांस है 2/36, 2/16. तो 1 बॉय एंड 1 गर्ल कितना होगा? एटलीस्ट 1 बॉय, एक बॉय भी चलेगा. कौन नहीं चाहिए तुम लोगों को? ये 5 पॉसिबिलिटी मैंने लिख दी है. 0 बॉय 4 गर्ल्स नहीं चाहिए, 4 बॉय 0 गर्ल्स नहीं चाहिए, बाकी सब चलेगा. तो बाकी सब चलेगा मतलब होता है 14/16 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2000. हाउ मच यू गेटिंग? 1750. गॉट दिस? वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सम. ओके, एग्जैक्टली 2 गर्ल्स चाहिए, तो 4C2, 2 बॉयज चाहिए ना, मतलब 2 गर्ल्स चाहिए, तो फिर इंटू हाफ रेज टू 2. तो ये तो 1/16 हो गया. 4C2 कितना होता है? 6. तो 6/16 इंटू 2000. कितना है? 750. गॉट इट? %25 inhabitants in a large town are what? Bespectacled. मतलब step can go. You write with glasses. Spectacle मालूम है कि नहीं? हाँ, मतलब वो लोगों का चश्मा है. What is the probability that randomly select group of what? 6 include at most 2 spectacled persons. मतलब देखो चांस क्या स्पेक्टेकल होने की? 1/4. 1/4 ही लेना ठीक रहेगा ना. अच्छा, कितने 6 में से कितने चाहिए? एट मोस्ट 2, मतलब 0, 1, 2 कुछ भी चलेगा. तो 6C0 1/4 is to 0, 3/4 is to 6. That is 3/6 raised to, और दूसरा आएगा 6C1 into, तो नीचे तो 4/6 ही रहेगा, हाँ कि नहीं? इधर आएगा 6 into 3:5, और ये 1 ही रहेगा ना. 2 hours with glasses. तो मालूम पड़ रहा है? 2 है तो 6C2 into 1/4 is to 2 into what? तो नीचे तो 4 is to 6 रहेगा पक्का, और नीचे ऊपर क्या आएगा? 6C2 is how much? 15 into, ये तो 1 ही रहेगा, और 3 is to 4. You getting the point or not? देख नीचे ना 4 is to 6 है, उसके बाद पहला 3 is to 6 कितना होता है? यह 6/6 7. 729 is 3 is to 6 or not? 729 is what? Divide by 3 कर, तो 3 is to 5 आ गया. मल्टीप्लाई बाय 6 कर तो अपना नंबर आ गया प्लस 145 डिवाइड बाय 3 सॉरी 3:4 मतलब 81 इंटू 5 इंटू सॉरी 81 इंटू 15 नो 1215 729 प्लस 145 प्लस 1215 कितना होता है 3402 4:6 कितना होता है बाय द वे 40 अभी इसका आधा कर तो क्या होता है What is the answer?
C.
2048 C, huh? Follow this? Occupational disease is such that on an average 25% of the workers suffer from it. What is the chance of suffering? 1 by 4. If 10 workers are selected at random, find the probability that 10 को select किया at least what? Exactly what? 2. तो 10C2 into 1 by 4 is to 2 into 3 by 4 is to 8. तो सबसे पहले तुम लोग क्या करो मालूम है 2 raised to क्या 4 raised to 10 है ना
4:10.
what is 2 raised to 10 2 raised to 10 is 1024 तो तुम लोग क्या करो ये 45 आएगा ये 1 आएगा ऊपर 3:8 अपॉन 4:10 4:10 कितना था देख ऐसे 4 2 बार 4 बार इंटू 4 5 बार इंटू 10 कितना था 104 एक मिनट 10485 है ना ये वाला है कि नहीं अब 3:8 करने का ना 3 2 4 8 इंटू 45 कितना होता है आंसर क्या बोलो A. What is the answer? A is the answer 295 245 104 85 76 okay divide by okay समझा कि नहीं we will start with Poisson distribution. Poisson distribution is used when the event is rare. Example what? Suicides, accidents. Okay. We cannot count failures. We cannot count what? That is Q is all Q tends to 1 and P tends to what? P is not 0 but P is almost equal to 0 and Q is always equal to 1. Follow this? We cannot count failures. For example, if I ask you, what is the chance of 3 accidents today? Abhi, you can count the number of accidents. You can count number of
Accidents.
but you cannot count number of times the accident has not taken place. Success is accidents. अच्छा मैं पूछ रहा हूँ 3 एक्सीडेंट होने की चांस क्या है तुम लोग सामान्य सवाल क्या करोगे रेफरेंस किसकी बात कर रहे हो मैंने बोला आज की बात एक दिन की बात कर रहा हूँ तो ठीक है मुझे यू टेल मी व्हाट मीन एक्सीडेंट्स per day. I am talking about per day. Then the moment that I am talking about per day, एक दिन में 3 एक्सीडेंट्स की संभावना बताओ तुम लोग बोलोगे एवरेज कितने होते हैं that is called what M. M is the main parameter of now suppose mean accidents are 4 पर डे कितने एक्सीडेंट होते हैं? 4. लेकिन रोज जरूरी है कि रोज 4 ही हो? यू मे हैव नो एक्सीडेंट, 1 एक्सीडेंट, 3, 4, 5 भी हो सकते हैं. नाउ P of R success is equal to e raised to minus m into m raised to r upon r factorial. m raised to r याद रखना, e raised to minus m is very common. Okay, m raised to r upon r factorial. r को ढूंढना और m को ढूंढना. What? m is fixed in the problem. r keeps on changing. And probability of r is equal to 0 is equal to e raised to minus m. e का वैल्यू क्या है हमने बताया हुआ है थियरी वाली कैसेट में, सीडीज में. Now, let us start. A random variable x follows Poisson distribution with parameter 4. This is mean. Mean is 4. Find the probability that what? E raised to minus 4 is given. No. P of x is equal to what? 0. P of x is equal to 0 मतलब e raised to minus m into m raised to r, that is 0 upon 0 factorial. तो ये होगा ना, ये 1 होता है. तो P of x is equal to 0 is 0.0183. ये e raised to minus m ही होता है ना. 0.0183 into 1 upon 1. 0.0183 into 1 upon 1. ये आएगा. Probability of e is x is equal to 1.
0.0732.
E raised to minus m into what is m? 4. 4 is to 1 upon 1, no? So you have into 4. What is 4 into?
0.01.
0183 था ना?
83.
करेक्ट है ये? 0183 no? Into 4. How much you get? Answer. Yes, answer is B.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to 2. So e raised to minus m into 4 is to 2 upon 2 factorial. So you have 16 upon 2 into 0.0183. कितना आंसर? 0.1464. X is equal to 3. Good practice, no? Follow this.
0.976.
That is 64 divided by 6 into 0.0183. कितना आता है? ये है ना? A is the answer. Now see here, you could have done it in a simple way. See here, how to do it. E raised to minus m. पहला वाला e raised to minus m ही आएगा. X r is equal to 0. Now 1 है ना, तो 0.0183 आया था, किसका आंसर था ये? 0 का. Now into 4 divided by 1, what do you get? ये 1 का है कि 2 का है? 1 का. अभी 2 पे जाने का है ना, तो again multiply by m into 4 divided by 2, what do you get? Again this is 2 का, from 2 you have to go to 3, तो क्या होगा? into 4 divided by 3, what do you get? 0.19. अच्छा, इसका 4 पे जाने का तो 4 divided by 4, that is same answer. 5 पे जाने का तो into 4 divided by 5, ये आंसर आएगा. ओके, क्वेश्चन नंबर 24 and 25. 3% of the bolts manufactured by the company are defective. What is the probability that in a sample of 200 bolts 5 will be defective? Now see here, मैं बोलता हूँ 5 are defective. किस में से?
200.
कितने में से? 200 में से. मैं बोलता हूँ 3% of the bolts are defective. How many bolts you have taken?
200.
अब बोलो what is the chance of 5 defective? Now you will ask 5 defective किस में से? 200 में से. 200 में से 5 defective. ठीक है, तो 200 में से एक्सपेक्टेड डिफेक्टिव कितने हैं?
3%.
200 into 3% that is 6. So e raised to minus 6 is
0.024.
now how many defect you want? 5. 5 सक्सेस चाहिए ना, तो क्या करोगे? e raised to minus 6 into m क्या है? 6 raised to 5 upon, now what you will do? 6 raised to 5. 6 raised to 5 will be 6 into 4 into 6, 7, 7, 7, 6. 5 factorial is 120 into 0.00248. How much answer है? ये आएगा ना आंसर? यही सबसे अप्रोप्रिएट है ना? हम लोगों ने कुछ ज्यादा ही राउंड ऑफ किया कि नहीं? एकदम परफेक्ट किया कि नहीं?
0.168.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Is defective means
0.
p of x is equal to 0, that is
0.48.
e raised to
Minus 6.
6 into
6 raised to 0.
1. ये तो कुछ मतलब ही नहीं ना, ये है ना? Okay. Now next is the variance of a Poisson distribution is 4. Variance मतलब NP होता है. Mean and variance both are same, हाँ? In Poisson distribution. Find the probability that x is equal to what? 3. इसका मतलब mean is equal to 3. What is? Sorry, mean is equal to 4. Variance and mean both are same of a so mean is m is equal to 4. You want x is equal to 3 means 3 success. So you have e raised to minus 4 into 4 m raised to r upon
3 factor.
so what is 64 upon कितना आएगा? 64 divided by 6 into क्या? 0.0183 ना आता है ये वाला. B now?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is given no. This 64 divided by 6 into this. In question number, the probability that an individual suffers from bad reaction from a particular injection is 0.001. Find the probability that out of 500 individuals, exactly 2 will suffer. More than 2 will suffer. Now see here. कितने में से बात कर रहे हो? 2 लोग सफर करेंगे, कितने में से? 500 में से. तो एक्सपेक्टेड कितने हैं? लेकिन एक्सपेक्टेड सफरिंग्स फ्रॉम 500 कितना आएगा? 5.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? e raised to minus 5 कितना आंसर? 0.674. Now you want exactly 2 will suffer. You want how many should suffer? तो e raised to minus m कितना है? 5. r कितना चाहिए? 2 upon 2 factorial. तो ये ना 25 हो गया कि नहीं? 25 upon 2 कितना? 12.5. 12.5 into 0.00674 कितना होता है आंसर?
0.0842.
is आंसर. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
More than 2 मतलब
2, 4, 5.
3, 4, 5. ना 1 मिनट. तुम लोग 1 मिनट तो बता लो कैसे करने का. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल नो वन सफर्स कितना होगा? e raised to minus m ना? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा 1 सफर्स तो क्या होगा? e raised to minus m into 5 upon 1. हाँ कि नहीं? कुछ मत करो. e raised to minus m into 1. 2 सफर्स तो हाँ. आप कुछ मत करो, बता रहा हूँ क्या करना है. हाउ टू फाइंड? ये दोनों चाहिए ना. दिस इज 2 सफरिंग और नॉट. नाउ दिस इज 1, दिस इज 5 एंड दिस इज 12.5 है ना. ये टोटल करने का ना इसका. इंडिविजुअली मत निकालो. ये क्या 1 है? ये 1 है, 0 नहीं है. क्या है? e raised to minus m into 1 है. जीरो सफरिंग इज वन टाइम,
Yes.
हाँ कि नहीं? टू सफरिंग
5 times.
नहीं, जीरो सफरिंग, वन सफरिंग,
5 times.
और ये तो क्या होगा 12.5, देखो 12.5 प्लस 5 प्लस 1 इंटू क्या 0.00674. दिस इज हाउ मेनी पीपल सफरिंग? 0, 1 और 2, अप टू 2, एट मोस्ट 2, माइनस 1 कर तो क्या होगा? मोर देन 2 आएगा. दिस इज आंसर. चल रिपीट अगेन, वापस कराओ. सी अगेन, दिस इज हाउ मेनी पीपल सफरिंग? 0 सफरिंग, 1 सफरिंग, 2 सफरिंग. ये e raised to minus m कॉमन है. ये 1, 5 by 1, 25 by 2. तो दिस इज 12.5, 5, 17.5 प्लस 5 प्लस 1 कितना होगा?
18.5.
इंटू 0.00674. ये आया -1, क्योंकि हमको मोर देन 2 चाहिए, तो ये आंसर आएगा. In a company manufacturing toys, मिला toys, it is found that 1 in 500 is defective. 500 में से एक, लाखों में एक नहीं. Find the probability that there will be what? At most, find the probability that at most 2 defectives in a sample of what? 2000. अरे 2 डिफेक्टिव चाहिए, कितने में से? 2000. एट मोस्ट 2, मतलब 0, पर 2000 में एक्सपेक्टेड डिफेक्टिव कितने होंगे? 4. कैसे 4? 500 में से एक, तो एक्सपेक्टेड कितने? 4 है. तो m is equal to 4. Now you want, listen here, you want 0 defective, तो e raised to minus 4 into 1 होगा. ये 0 का है कि 1 का है? e raised to minus 4 into what? 4 upon 1. ये किसका है? 1 का. e raised to minus 4 into what? 4 square upon 2 full factorial. That is 2 का है कि बस और नहीं जाने का ना. अब ये साथ में करो, टोटल करने का ना इसका. ये क्या 1 प्लस what? 4, और ये 16 by 2 कितना होता है? 8. So what do you get? 16 by 2 is how much? 8 plus 4 plus 1, 13 होता है. 13 into क्या? 0.0183 कितना आता है? ये आंसर है ना. इस पे डाउट है मेरे को. तो किस पे डाउट है तुम लोगों को? ये मालूम पड़ा कैसे किया? हाँ, मतलब टोटल कैसे करने का मालूम पड़ा कि नहीं? सीधा क्यूमुलेटिव कैसे निकालने का. अभी ये तुम लोग मन में भी कर सकते हो. ये छोड़, e raised to minus 4 बहुत दिखे, हर टाइम आता है. सीधा पहले तो 1 है, एक तो लेने का, फिर 1 का होगा तो m by 1, फिर m square upon 2 फैक्टोरियल. ज्यादा में ज्यादा 3-4 का पूछेंगे, उससे ज्यादा तो नहीं पूछेंगे, तो 6 तक थोड़ी बोलेंगे. Then between 4 p.m. and what? 5 p.m. Average number of phone calls per minute is 3. Mean is 3. Find the probability one particular there will be what? No phone call. No phone call का चांस क्या है? हाँ, और exactly 2 चाहिए ना. तो exactly 2 चाहिए, तो e raised to minus m into m क्या है? 3 is to 2 upon 2. तो क्या होगा? 4.5 into 0.0498 कितना होता है? Oh sorry, this is wrong. ये 2241. Okay? समझा कि नहीं? Follow this?
Yes sir.
1% of the blades produced by blade manufacturing factory turns out to be what? Defective. ये 1/5% मतलब क्या मालूम है? 100 में से 0.2 लोग डिफेक्टिव है. 100 में से 5 नहीं, 1/5, 5 में से एक नहीं, 1/5% are defective. The blades are supplied in a packet of, एक पैकेट में कितने ब्लेड्स होते हैं? 10. Use Poisson distribution to calculate number of packets in the consignment of 1 lakh packets. Find number of packets na. Number of packets and how many packets are there? 1 lakh. Now whenever they tell you find expected number of packets, find number of packets with one defect, two defect, तो तुम लोग को रेफरेंस लेने का वन पैकेट, वन ब्लेड, देखो पहले एक ब्लेड है, फिर पैकेट है 10 ब्लेड का, और ऐसे कितने पैकेट है? तो एक ब्लेड है, ये पैकेट है, और ये नंबर ऑफ पैकेट्स है, 1 लाख पैकेट है. When they ask you expected number of, when they tell you find expected number of packets having defects, so you always take reference as what? One packet. Now see here, reference is one packet. Okay, reference क्या है? ना 100 में से कितने डिफेक्टिव होते हैं? 0.2. तो 10 में से कितने डिफेक्टिव होंगे? 0.02 इज M. एक पैकेट की बात कर, लाख पैकेट की नहीं. एक पैकेट में एक पैकेट की बात करो. इन वन पैकेट हाउ मेनी डिफेक्ट्स आर एक्सपेक्टेड? 0.02. e raised to minus m कितना है? ये दिया हुआ तो भी ओके. ना यू वांट नो डिफेक्टिव, तो ये रहेगा ना, e raised to minus m कितना दिया होगा, तो वही होगा 0.98. ये क्या है? वन डिफेक्टिव और नो डिफेक्टिव. नो डिफेक्टिव ये एक पैकेट में से ना, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1 लाख. अभी एक पैकेट 1 लाख से मल्टीप्लाई करो कितना होता है? 98020. ये आंसर है कि नहीं? नो कंटेनिंग वन डिफेक्टिव, एक डिफेक्टिव चाहिए, तो e रेज टू माइनस m. m क्या है? m रेज टू r अपॉन 1. तो e रेज टू माइनस m क्या है? 0.9802 into 0.02. ये है प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ वन डिफेक्टिव. एक में से मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाउ मच? 1 लाख. कितना है? 1961 आंसर आना चाहिए या 1960? सी अगेन वन डिफेक्टिव चाहिए ना, तो e रेज टू माइनस m इंटू m रेज टू r, एक पैकेट अपॉन 1 फैक्टोरियल. तो 0.9802 इंटू 0.02, ये एक पैकेट में डिफेक्टिव है, इंटू 1 लाख. हाउ मच यू गेट? आंसर इज 192 डिफेक्टिव. क्या करने का बताओ? 0.9802 इंटू 0.02 इंटू 0.02, ये हो गया डिवाइड बाय 2. कितना होता है ये? इंटू 19.604. तो कितना आएगा? 20 पैकेट्स आते हैं. फॉलो दिस. ये होगा e रेज टू माइनस m इंटू 0.02 रेज टू 2 अपॉन 2 फैक्टोरियल. याद रहेगा? फैक्ट्री ब्लेड्स आर मैन्युफैक्चर्ड इन पैकेट्स. वापस वही ब्लेड बनाएंगे ऑफ 10. देयर इज 0.2% प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट ब्लेड इज डिफेक्टिव. 0.2 per 100. यूजिंग पॉइसन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ पैकेट्स. ये नंबर ऑफ पैकेट बोला ना, तो मैं क्या करूंगा? 1 पैकेट को लूंगा कंटेनिंग 2 ब्लेड्स, कंटेनिंग 2 डिफेक्टिव ब्लेड्स. नाउ सी हियर, पहले